Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through a quick and simple guide on how to disable disappearing messages on the WhatsApp desktop app, especially after the latest update. If you've noticed that some of your chats keep disappearing after a set time, this video will help you turn that off for good. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and your app is updated to the latest version so that everything looks the same on your screen. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your WhatsApp window. You'll see a row of icons. Click on the gear icon, that's the settings menu. This is where you can manage your privacy, notifications, appearance, and other key options. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a new panel will open. From here, select privacy. Inside the privacy settings, scroll a bit until you find the section labeled default message timer. This feature controls how long new messages stay visible in your chats before automatically disappearing. By default, WhatsApp might set this timer for 24 hours, 7 days, or even 90 days, depending on your previous preferences or the version update. But if you want to turn off disappearing messages entirely, this is the place to do it. Click on Default Message Timer and you'll see a list of options. Choose Off. Once you select that, all new chats you start from now on will have disappearing messages disabled automatically. That means your conversations will stay intact until you decide to delete them manually. And that's it. You've successfully disabled disappearing messages in just a few quick steps. It's a simple change, but a really useful one, especially if you want to keep your chats available for longer and avoid losing important messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out other videos on WhatsApp tips and updates. Thanks for watching.